Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of One Look Wednesdays. So today we have these three cases. They look really hard to recognize, but trust me, they're not that hard. Okay, so you may know this ollcp. So it's obviously F double sexy F prime OLL, and then these two are the same and these two are opposite. So you may know this ollcp. It just goes like R U2 R prime U prime R U R prime U2 sledge. And how you recognize when this is going to skip is you'll just see a bar here, and these two up here will be opposites. So these three cases I'm going to show you are the three cases when there's opposites like that. And also, I think this is a good thing to say. Whenever you notice a specific ollcp and then two pieces that have something in common, like if they're opposites or if they match, there's always going to be three cases that have that specific attribute. That's just something cool to point out about one of the class layers. Alright, so when you have these two opposite and these two are the bar, you just do the normal ollcp. And when these two are opposite and these two down here are opposite, you do the ollcp, except with the first R and the last R are wide. So it looks like this. R, U2, and now the last R. Or not the last R, actually. The last, like, R prime thing, and then you do the sledge. So I'll show that again. So these two are opposite, these two are opposite. Alright, so the last case is the final case when they're opposite, and then there's a few ways you can look at this. It's just these two are sort of adjacent, or you can see this bar here. Yeah, so this case is pretty easy. Here's an easier way to learn it. It's this COLL, if you know the alg that goes like RU, R prime, U prime, R prime, F. So it's just like sexy sledge, cancel into F double sexy F prime. This is like you do a wide sexy sledge, and that gives you F double sexy F prime. So, and it cancels. So yeah. Now you know, so whenever you see those two opposites, you know the case. And I think learning these three at a time like this is really useful, because you can notice one thing and then immediately know you're gonna know the one with less layer. So yeah. Alright, so now for a bonus alg. I don't really know how I exactly recognize this. I sort of just know I have the case. I don't have a specific way to recognize it, but if I get this, I know it's the right case. It's, I guess you could say these two are opposite, these two are opposite. It's not really part of a set, but it is the inverse of the second alg that I showed you, the wide ollcp. So this, I'm just going to show you the ollcp for this because it's really nice. So it's just the opposite, so these two are the same and these two are opposites. So from this angle, it goes like F, R prime, F prime, wide R, so it's just the inverse of the other one. U2, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U prime. So here it is again. And yeah, it's a really nice ollcp, even if you don't know the one with class layer. Alright, that's it. I'm going to Nats now. So yeah.